Hi, I'm Roger with Platinum Residential, and it's our very real pleasure to be offering this immaculate home for sale in Waterfall Valley Mature Lifestyle Estate. It's 304 square meters under roof. It has a beautiful garden, and you can see some of that around me. The house consists of 2 large bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a big study, a TV room, lovely large patio, a huge garage with a walk-in cupboard, and the home at 304 square meters is larger than your average home on the estate. It's a real good buy.